If you have just gotten a sewing machine or you're just getting back into sewing, I would love to help you cut apart fabric and make fun and functional things. I have the perfect guide for you. This is called How to Fall in Love with Your Sewing Machine in 5 Easy Steps. And I guide you step by step how to get started. From making sure you know how to thread your machine, do the bobbin, do all the basic things, to talking about the different feet, practicing some stitches, everything to get you comfortable with your machine so that you can then come back to my channel or go to my membership at sewwithtarareid.com and find all the fun projects that are great for beginners and intermediate sewists and quilters. So sign up, get the PDF. If you like this information and you like to learn by video, there is a 15 video series in my membership, sewwithtarareid.com. You can try the membership for $1, check out this information, get really comfortable, and just look around and decide if it's for you. How to fall in love with your sewing machine in 5 easy steps. It is for beginning sewists, people who are getting back into it, people who just got a sewing machine, or people who are deciding if they want to get into this craft. You do. You want to get into this craft. I love to paint, I love to design fabric, and I love to sew, and I love to share my joy of all of that with all of you. So give me your name and email, and I will send this to you right away.